In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clips in ClickUp. Recording short screen clips is perfect for quick walkthroughs, task explanations, or sharing updates with your team. And the best part is, you can do it right inside ClickUp. Start by heading to clickup.com and signing in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space where you want the clip to live. Keeping your clip in the right place ensures it's organized with the rest of your work so teammates can easily find it later. Now look to the top right corner of your ClickUp window. You'll see a small camera icon. Click that to open the clip recording menu. This is where you'll choose exactly what to capture and how you want to capture it. First, pick what to share on screen. You can record your entire screen, a single application window, or just the current browser tab. Choose entire screen if you plan to switch between apps during your explanation. Pick a window or tab when you want to minimize distractions and keep attention focused. Before you begin, it's a good idea to close any sensitive tabs and pause notifications to keep the recording clean and distraction-free. Next, select your microphone option. If you want narration, choose your preferred mic and say a few words to confirm your levels look healthy. If you don't need voiceover, select No Microphone for a silent, clean capture you can pair with written comments later. If your mic doesn't appear, quickly check your browser permissions for microphone access. Once your screen and audio preferences look right, click Record Clip. The capture begins immediately, so move smoothly through the task or walkthrough you want to show. Keep it concise and focused. Shorter clips are easier for your team to watch and act on. When the recording finishes, your video is processed and ready. You'll see it appear in a small panel near the bottom left of your screen within ClickUp. That makes it easy to confirm it's saved and available where you're working. Sharing is straightforward. You can copy a link to send the clip directly to teammates for quick feedback or status updates. Or create a new task from the clip to turn your recording into something actionable with assignees, due dates, and comments, keeping everything in one place. And that's all it takes to record a clip in ClickUp. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more quick, practical ClickUp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.